Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay. A picture na, a picture. Blow, blow. Blow.
Some writing magic. Can you trace the I'm flying in the sky down to the ground. And he seven's found.
Okay, let's go. Which floor is that again? Sixth floor. Okay. Careful. So we're back here at the executive lounge of Movenpick. We just love Movenpick. Yeah, can you say hi to my vlog? So here, Uncle Joshua is helping us for the check-in. And he said our room is already available. Yeah, it's available already. Thank you, Uncle Benjamin. Thank you. Okay, okay.
Protect me. And Grandpa is not here.
Sobrang saya ng mga anak ko. Kasi hindi kami nag-hotel eh. Diba? We didn't go to hotel much this time. Ayan na. Ayan. We're going now. Ayan, Uncle Benjamin will help us.
Links na ba natin yan? Kasi yung gamit natin mo.
Queen Mama is here. Hi to my vlog. Hi. It's a happy day talaga pag kasama mo yung family. Sobrang happy. Wow. Sobrang na-happy ako talaga. So happy. So this one is for the other room.
Yes.
I think this is 5th floor.
Oh, 5th.
Yeah, yeah.
They already gone to the room?
No, not yet. They're having drink over here.
Okay.
Okay. So we're visiting Mama room. So here is Mama's room. Ang ganda ng view nila. Guys, ayan. There's a big pool. That's Mama's view. Ayan. Ang daming room. Ilan room natin?
5.
5. We have 5 rooms. Okay. Yung mga anak ko, ang saya nila. Kasi hindi naman kami nag-hotel na, di ba? Kasi may swimming pool na kami sa bahay. So, na-excite din sila kasi naiba yung ambience. Excited din talaga sila.
Ba't yung champagne yung?
Ha? What champagne?
May champagne kayo sa room.
Oh, maliit kasi maliit yung room. Ito malaki.
Ano na ko? You know what that's not paper? A ghost. Roller coaster ride.
So here, yung executive room nila na family room, nasa gitna yung TV, oh. Parang naging divider siya from the couch and the room. Pero yung TV dalawa, meron din dito sa may harap na to, sa kabila meron din. It's dalawa yung TV. Yes, you can watch. So ganyan siya, oh. Yeah, and there's a huge sofa. Parang 3 tao yung hihiga. Ayan. Mama, we draw more.
Mommy, Mommy, can I sleep with you?
No. That's why you have your own room. Why you want to sleep with me? Grabe guys, akala ko talaga minasakit ka. So that's all part of ano. Say hi to my vlog. Steven, say hi to my vlog. Huwag natin pakita yung dress ng mami mo. Hi, may so poging-poging pamangkin.
It's his bedtime. Hindi ka pa papalit niya? Or plate? Go get some. Mama, help Chloe.
I have beef and fish. You can open the other one. Oh, yun pala. May rice pala. I want rice.
You want rice?
Wala ko hindi maahang tilapia, maahang. Ang sarap ng beef. Sarap no? Sarap. Hindi lang, sarap masarap. Ang beef. Can you give me some water? Bilisan ko lang. Una lang akong kumain para mamaya maghahabol na lang ako kay Drogo. So, kakain muna ako. Later tayo ulit magkwentuhan. Bye! Guys, ang healthy naman ng ano. Ang healthy ng plate ng nanay ko. O parang first plate niya lang yan. Ma-first plate mo parang bato.
Oh, yes. First plate pa lang yan.
Healthy plate na.
Ang healthy naman. Ang healthy. Yeah. Lagayin ko nin. Yeah. Family.
I have.
So, natatamad kami tumayo.
Maalala mo yung magkano lahat ng lahat ng room?
Sinabi namin kay mama, ikuha kami ng beef. So, nahihiya siya kasi punong-puno na daw yung plato niya sa dami ng ano namin. Pasabay, pasakuha. Ayan, so, we're gonna take, oo nga, ang dami nung nasa plato mo, ma. Sabihin, carnivorous ka. Ayoko na makapal, wait lang. This one. Okay na ako. Okay. Okay na. Sa akin, I want thin slice only. Ang sarap niya.
Second small plate.
Okay.
I have a big plate.
They also have here yung mga beverage sides. Yan. So you can take everything also. It's part of the executive room that we have. And that's them. And this is Steven. Steven, will you miss Mommy Con? Will you miss Mommy Con? Will you miss Mommy Con? So si Ate Kate yung pinakahuling Huli siya nag-dinner kasi nag-makeup pa siya ng mga contestant. Isa lang may make-upan niya. Tatlo pala, make-upan niya. Kasi meron dito ngayon celebration ng ng Miss Philcom. Miss Philcom Ghana. So, sa National Theater gagawin. So, after this dinner, we have to go sa National Theater. Kaya lang si ate. Ang sarap kasi ng food, kaya yan. Take 2 siya, take 2. Nihintay namin si Kate, ang tagal magbihis. Ano masasabi mo sa vlog ko? Nabusog ka ba today sa kinain mo?
Kung bumalik eh.
Bakit hindi ka bumalik kanina? Pwede naman. Ako lang hindi ko na kayang kumain. Nalok na nga siya na ko. Anong gusto ko?
Ulit, babalik ako rin.
Hanggang 11 p.m. naman. Pero parang mga coffee na lang ay mga biscuit na lang later.
Chloe nga gusto yung biscuit eh.
Anong pinaka nagustuhan mo sa kinain mo kanina?
Beef.
O, yung beef, ang sarap.
Tilapia lang yung kinain ko eh. Tsaka salad.
Oo. Salad. Nung afternoon, meron silang mga sandwich, like avocado sandwich, tapos parang merong binilot na tinapay na merong orange sa loob. Hindi ko maintindihan kung ano. Yun lang. Tapos masarap lang yung donut na may almond. Ako lahat, anything with almond talaga, mabenta sa akin. Basta mga croissant na may almond, mga tinapay na may almond, mga dessert na may almond, basta may almond. Gusto ko yan. Yan.
Sabi niya
Chicken.
you have put sauce in the
Calamari.
That's one of the sauce.
Eat na. Eat your burger na.
Burger?
Yeah, eat na. Eat your own.
Cheeseburger.
Happy birthday, ate! Yan, birthday gift mo na yan, ha? It's her birthday.
Nirepost ni Consul yung description ko. Kasi nasalita sa akin. Yung
It's okay.
nakaraan din niya naman nirepost. Alente?
Happy birthday, ate! Sleep ka na tonight.
At start na tayo.
Good morning, ma. Ganda naman ni mama. Nakakahiyan tumabi kay mama. Ang ganda. Good morning. So, pababa na kami sa breakfast. See you later. What do you like? Donut. parang na-upset yung tiyan ko, hindi pa ako makakain. So, every time I feel like that, umiinom muna ako ng chamomile tea with honey. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kinakain ni Drogo. Ang tuwa naman yan si Mama. Looking yan. Kahapon pa si Mama maganda. Sabi ng mga waiter, si Mama hindi daw mukhang Mama na. Mas maraming selection ng breakfast dito sa baba kaysa dun sa executive floor. Pero syempre, kasi matakaw tayo, kakain din tayo dun later. Hindi pa ako nag-start dito eh. Nakaplano na agad Rumes back sa taas. Doon sila sa kabilang table. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan na kami makuha na mahaba eh, na magkakasama. Oh, careful. No, later I'll drink this one. Thank you so much. Lahat ng bagay mabigat. Ito naman parang ano. Love this one. It look like a thick metal. It's too heavy ah. Seems like 2 kilos. Everything here is heavy. Yung cup ang bigat, yung plato ang bigat. Bakit kaya?
Very good. Very good.
Si Mama, kumakain na. So, tingnan muna natin yung pagkain. Baka meron tayong magustuhan. Kasi actually, I doesn't have the appetite yet to eat. Maybe yung margarita talaga kagabi. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga pagkain. Here are the breads. Siyempre, ang sarap lalo na yung croissant nila. Talagang pag-open bake. So real. And then, yun na yung mga ganang food. Yan, beef stew, beef, boiled egg. Parang masarap din yan. Shredded, parang shredded potato yata. Oats, and meron silang mixed veg, grilled tomatoes. Ang bigat talaga. Parang gusto ko magkaroon ng gantong kaldero. Ang bigat. Naka-warmer na siya. Ganito na yung uso ngayon, hindi na yung nilalagyan pa ng ano, burner sa ilalim. Sausage, chicken sausage, scrambled egg. And meron silang din ano, live cooking ng egg. Siguro mag-e-egg na lang ako. Hi Chef, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, but I think I drink too much last night, so I doesn't have much appetite to eat. But I think the egg, I can eat it. So I wanted ham and cheese omelette. Okay. No vegetable, just ham and cheese. Okay. Thank you, Chef. Have a beautiful chef here. She's gonna make my egg omelette. So I'll come back in a few minutes, right? Okay. Thank you, Chef. Ayan, meron din toaster ng bread, coffee tea, pero nagkamumel din ako, so I won't drink any coffee today. Ma, what do you like? dito sa streets ng Ghana. Ayan, drawing tuloy yung painting. Ang ganda. And here. It's here. It's here. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy 25th birthday! That's cute. Happy birthday!
Bye, Ghana! Okay, ha? Bye, Ghana!
Wala na daw, hindi na daw kailangan, sabi ni Sir. Sorry na lang dito sa front na lang. You can just drop her to anywhere she likes. Oh. Sa inyo kami? So you take care of yourself now? Okay, you're fine. Okay. Okay. You're alright. Okay. Hindi kami kakasya. Hindi rin siya makakapunta sa airport eh. Oo. Okay, bye na. Bye.
That way I'll get somebody to push.
Bye.
Bye.
What happened like last time?
Love you. Happy birthday. Penny. Take care of Kuya, okay?
I will. Saan ibababa to sa Accra mo?
Mama is missing me now.
Yeah.
I'm Mama's baby. She's missing me now. I tell her to come, but she doesn't like to come. And now she's crying.
Oh, you're crying. Come on.
Mama.
Oh, Mama, don't cry.